Before start this video, I want to tell you that this whole video is recorded by my mobile's inbuilt microphone. How to record a professional voiceover for YouTube. This is literally our audience's most requested video. Most people think that they need expensive microphone and advanced editing software to record a professional audio, which is not true at all. But first, let's talk about the things you will need to record a good audio. Many people, especially new creators, believe they can't record good audio without a microphone, which is not true at all. You can even record high quality audio using your smartphone's inbuilt microphone. Okay, so first we need a perfect environment for recording the audio. If your audio has echo, then it will sound like this. Hello guys, how are you? Hope all of you are well. For removing echo from your audio, you can apply some tricks. Like the more objects in your room, the less echo there will be. So you can fill your room with curtains, fabrics, cushions, cloths, etc. because these things will absorb the echo and you will get a sweet voiceover. If you want a pro tip to reduce echo, record in a small space. For example, you can stuff a closet with cloths, cushions, books and place your phone inside. You will notice the echo decreases and clarity improves. If your audio contains noise, then it will sound very dull and unprofessional. For removing noise from my video, I simply close my doors, windows and I turn off my fan and AC. You can record your audio late night and early morning when there is a few background noise. Step 4 is using script. If you use this script, your voiceover will be more neat and clean and it sounds very good. Then bring the script in front of you and place it where it's easy to read. Next, if you are using your phone's microphone, bring the phone's mic close to your face around 2 or 3 inches. Now many people ask how loud their volume should be while recording a voiceover. One thing I have observed is that if you record at the same volume as you talk in daily life, your voice will be sound low energetic. So if you want your voiceover to have at least normal energy, then while recording keep the volume a bit higher than normal and it will work fine. Just like how teachers increase their volume slightly while reading in a class. Keep it a bit higher. Now while you start recording, remember not to record the entire script at once. Break it into parts and take break in between. For example, if I have to explain 4 points in the script, I can take a break after each point and during the break I will have some water as well. Finally, you can normalize the audio to maintain a certain level.